just a girl that loves technology. Hey guys, Random Tech here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing for this ultra thin wireless keyboard and mouse from Comb. So I needed a new wireless keyboard and I wanted something that was simple, looked minimalistic, and it was also really basic and cheap. And this is what I found from Amazon. So let's go ahead and open up this box and see what it looks like inside. Great, so when you first open it, this is the setup of the packaging, and it also comes with a pleasant surprise. You get a keyboard protector, which I think is a great additional touch to this. And there's our mouse, and the mouse looks really cute. I love how this looks, really simple. Perfect. It's actually a silent mouse as well, so when you click you can't really hear all that clicking noise, which is great. And there's our keyboard. Can I just say I really love the sizing of this keyboard. It's exactly what I was looking for. I don't like when it's a really big or large keyboard. This is a perfect size for me. Then you get your manual. Make sure you read your manual before you set up your keyboard and mouse. And there's me testing the weight. The weight of this again is really good. I like it to be quite simple and small, easy for me to move around with it if I needed to, so this is perfect for that. And now I'm just going to show you the back of this keyboard in a second. So I've taken off the covering for the back just to show you where the batteries go. So this needs 2 AAA batteries, and it also comes with a USB connector. At the moment mine is plugged onto my computer, which is why it's not on here. But you only need one connector for both the mouse and the keyboard, which I think is great. The mouse also needs 2 AAA batteries as well. I guess the only downside for this is the fact that you would need 4 AAA batteries, but that's fine with me. I'm quite content with that. There we go. And can I just add that I actually was going to get the black version of this initially, and I just changed my mind last minute to get this white version, and I'm quite pleased with how this looks. In fact, on my setup it looks absolutely great. And there we go, that's what it looks like. I hope you found this video somewhat helpful. I will link the link to this down below if anybody's interested in getting this. But yeah, that is me for now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more random tech videos, and also feel free to share and like, comment, all that juicy stuff. Thank you guys.